Tonight you're mine completely. You give your love so sweetly. Tonight the light of love is in your eyes. And will you still love me tomorrow? Is this lasting treasure, or just a moment pleasure? Can I believe the magic of your sighs? And will you still love me tomorrow? Tonight, with words unspoken, you said that I'm the only one, yeah. But will my heart be broken when the night meets the morning sun? I have to know that your love is love that I can be sure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow? Yeah. Will you still love me tomorrow?